US UK special relationship, exploring the historic bond between two nations. The relationship between the United States and United Kingdom has long been described as a special relationship. This bond is not just a diplomatic term but also a reflection of deep ties that exist between the two nations, rooted in shared history and value and interest. Historically, the US and UK have stood together in major global conflict from the World War I and World War II to ongoing fight against terrorism. This military alliance has been a cornerstone of their relationship, with both nations often leading international coalitions to maintain global peace and security. Economically, the US and UK are each other's major trading partner. The trade between the two nations encompasses a wide range of industries, including finance, technology, and defense. The strength of this economic partnership is underscored by significant investment in each other's economic, creating jobs and driving innovation. Culturally, the US and UK shared a deep connections through language, literature, music, and film. This culture exchanges has enriched with the societies and strengthened their mutual understanding and respect. Politically, the US and UK often collaborate closely on international issues, including climate change, global security, and economic stability. While they may not always agree on every issue, but their partnership remains strong, underpinned by commitment to democracy, human rights, and the rule of law. The US and UK relationship is continued to be a vital and dynamic partnership, shaping the global landscape in profound ways.